What's going on, guys? Hope you guys are having a great day. So for today's video, we're back with another install, and we're going to be installing Minger's Interior LED lights. And before we actually start off today's video, I want to give a huge shout out to Leo for sending this out. I really appreciate it. We're going to be installing a Pro Panda 2008 Honda Accord. As you guys know, I actually have interior LED lights that look a little bit like this. So that's sort of what it's going to look like, except these are going to be a lot brighter because it comes with 72 individual beads. Which is going to be pretty cool. It's going to be highly responsive, no lag, and a whole lot brighter. So before we do the installation video, let me show you the product itself. As you guys can see, it comes in this cool box. It reminds me like an Apple Watch box. Pretty cool. It's fancy. It says Minger, that's the name of the company right there. Light up your car, and it does have like a little picture of a car. And yeah, it's a fairly simple box, pretty cool. And so when we open it up, we get the welcome guide. So a little bit more information on the product itself. You guys want to read that later on. And we have the product itself in here. It does come with 4 individual LED strips, which is pretty cool. So you can put one underneath the driver's side, passenger side, and then the rear passenger and the rear driver's side, or the rear driver's side. And it does look a little something like this. It comes, like I said, with 4 individual LED strips. And the cool thing about this actually that the mine doesn't have is that they're pretty flexible. So you can adjust them accordingly to how the shape of your car is. And as you guys can see here are the LED strips, or the LED lights.
Wow, they're big.
Yeah, they're pretty cool. And if you look on the back, it actually has this little adhesive, so there's no need for any drilling, any cutting, any other thing. It's a fairly simple install. Just take this piece of tape off and you can put it wherever you want. And it does come with the adapter, the cigarette adapter, so you guys can turn it on and off with this button right here. There's no need for any external wiring, internal wiring like mine did. I had to tap into mine. So this makes it a whole lot simpler, and it does come with the remote. As you guys can see right here, this is the remote itself. You got the power button, and then you can just toggle between different colors, and then this is how fast, and change colors and stuff. And another cool thing about this actually is that it is very responsive to music. So if you guys are playing like a techno song in your car, you can have like a little mini rave because it will change according to whatever song you're playing. So I thought that was a pretty cool feature. And it is extremely low heat as well. So you won't have to worry about it heating up in your car. It won't create any heat. For the installation, it's gonna be fairly simple. When you untangle it, you guys can see here, untangle it. You do have the remote and the cigarette adapter on one side, and then you're gonna have your first LED strip. So this is gonna be for your driver's side, and then you're gonna slide this across the center console to the passenger side, and that's where the second one will go. And then once you have that second one on, you're gonna go back to your rear passenger side, put this LED strip in, and then you're gonna finish it off with the rear driver side. So it should be a fairly simple install. There's nothing, like I said, there's no hardware required. You don't need to do anything fancy. It's just a simple find it where you want to put it and then tape it on. It should be good. So once we get that on, we'll show you, and then we'll show you a little bit of the features it has, as well as the app, because this does actually come with an app that you can control it with, which I thought was pretty cool. So other than that, we're going to put this on real quick, and we'll show you guys once it's on, and then we'll show you a little bit of the features. So hope you guys enjoy, and stay tuned. So to finish it off, we're going to show you the app. The app is actually called right here. If we pull up the name, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but it's called right here. It's called iHomeNet Light. I'm not sure if that's exactly how you pronounce it or not, but this is the app which you get right here. The pairing is pretty easy. All you have to do is open up the app and click connect, and then it automatically connects. And as you guys can see here, there's different colors you can toggle through. So you have red, you have orange, you have yellow, green, blue, teal, purple, and white. And you can also use this to toggle through custom colors. So pink, let's go to like a orangish red color, or like a peach color. So that was pretty cool. And then you also can control the brightness through here on how bright you want it, and toggle to the different modes. So color. And you also have this feature right here called music. So if we turn on the radio real quick, turn it up a little bit. Let's see. Okay, so if you guys click on this button right here, it'll go with the music. So I thought that was pretty cool. And then you can also toggle to the different colors as well. And then Turn on music real quick, and if you really want to, at the end you can just shut it off through here, click the power button, or you can go down there, click the power button as well, and then to finish it off just click the red button to make sure it all completely turns off. So that's going to conclude today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and once again, huge shout out to Leo for sending us this product. We really appreciate it, and as you guys can see, it's pretty cool overall. But other than
it's hearing to our voice.
Huh?
It's listening to our voice right now.
Oh, is it really?
Yeah.
Echo, 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 1 2 1 2 1 2. Check, 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 check. Oh, that was pretty cool, huh?
Wow. Works pretty damn good.
That's a pretty cool feature it has. But other than that, if you guys are interested, I'll link everything down below. And once again, if you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you guys are new. But other than that, that's pretty much going to be it. And we'll see you guys in the next one.